Here is the racing driver, number one now. No, nothing. Okay, you must go check that there's nobody in the car. Just go backwards and forwards and see how you feel. And watch the temperature gauge.
Where's the temperature gauge?
Yeah. No, it'll be fine now. So you see, that's where he goes backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards.
I'll rock the car.
Rock the car, so you can turn the steering. Okay. What's the cars? I know, just guide him, just guide him, just guide him. Just guide him. Swing the other way now already. Swing the other way already. Get a brick, Gerald. Get a brick just in case.
It's coming alright.
Shit, look over the water, man.
You got more balls than me. Okay, swing other way now. Swing other way now. Yeah. Okay, a little bit more that way. What? Yeah.
Straighten out, straighten out.
A little bit more. Yeah. Okay, stop. We're in. Now,
65.
you know,
Best
that's
drive! Woo! I did drive it best. That's really the thing. Good man. Oh man. Let's see if I can.